spiders, and nature's eight-legged architects. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to an interactive voyage into the fascinating world of spiders, which are arachnids that are diverse and intricate and can be found in almost every part of our globe. During this investigation, we will look deeply into the biology, behavior, ecology, and life cycle of spiders. Our goal is to explore the mysteries of these extraordinary organisms and the important role they play in ecosystems all around the world. The body structure of spiders is remarkable, consisting of two primary parts, the cephalothorax, head and thorax, and the abdomen, opistosoma. Spiders are classified as members of the class Arachnida and are distinguished by their peculiar body structure. They have 8 legs, each of which is adorned with specialized structures such as bristles, claws, and glands that produce silk. These structures enable them to navigate their environment with precision and efficiency. Spiders are able to create silk, a proteinaceous thread that is secreted from spinnerets found at the back of their abdomens. This capacity is one of the most amazing characteristics of spiders. Silk is utilized by spiders for a variety of functions, including the construction of webs for the goal of capturing prey, the construction of shelters, the wrapping of prey, and sometimes even as a form of transportation through a behavior known as ballooning. Spiders are equipped with unique sensory organs, such as numerous pairs of eyes, sensitive hairs, trichobothria, and chemoreceptors, which allow them to detect prey, traverse their surroundings, and communicate with possible mates. In addition to producing silk, spiders are also capable of producing silk. A broad variety of insects, arthropods, and even small vertebrates are among the food that spiders consume. Spiders are known to be ravenous predators. They adopt a range of hunting strategies, such as ambush predation, active hunting, and web building, each of which is customized to their particular ecological niche and the prey that they like. Spiders that produce webs, such as orb weavers, are capable of creating elaborate silk structures that are referred to as webs. These webs serve 2 purposes. They are a trap for capturing prey, and they provide the spider with a place to hide. The construction of these webs involves the use of a combination of sticky and non-sticky silk threads that are placed in a geometric pattern. The purpose of these webs is to capture flying insects and entangle them upon contact. When it comes to hunting spiders, on the other hand, such as wolf spiders and jumping spiders, they rely on stealth and agility to ambush and stalk their prey. Both their eyesight and their sense organs are extremely sensitive, which enables these spiders to discover and follow their prey with an extraordinary degree of accuracy and speed. There are certain spiders that exhibit distinctive predatory activities, such as the use of lures, mimicry, and cooperative hunting techniques. These actions further enhance the effectiveness of these spiders as predators and contribute to the ecological satisfaction they experience. Mating is the first step in the life cycle of a spider, which normally takes place during the warmer months of the year when conditions are more suitable for reproduction. In order to entice female spiders, male spiders engage in complex rituals that culminate in mating. These rituals include the delivery of pheromones and the presentation of courtship displays. Following the completion of the mating process, the female spider creates 1 or more egg sacs, each of which contains hundreds of eggs. It is the female spider that is responsible for the careful construction and protection of these egg sacs until the eggs hatch. Once the eggs hatch, the spiderlings emerge and distribute themselves into the world around them. During the course of their growth and development, spiderlings go through a series of molts, during which they lose their exoskeletons in order to accommodate their growing size. They continue the cycle of reproduction and ensure the survival of their species by becoming more skilled hunters with each molt. Additionally, they finally attain sexual maturity, which allows them to continue the cycle of reproduction. Spiders are extremely versatile creatures that are able to thrive in a broad variety of habitats, ranging from meadows and woods to deserts and urban areas. They are able to live in these different habitats thanks to the physiological and behavioral adaptations that they have developed throughout time. These adaptations include the ability to tolerate severe temperatures, low humidity, and limited food resources. Because of their ability to manufacture silk, spiders are able to construct a broad variety of structures, such as webs, burrows, and egg sacs. These constructions provide their young with a place to live, a means of protection, and a place to learn and grow. They provide shelter from predators, severe weather conditions, and intraspecific competition through the use of these silk constructions, which play a critical part in their ability to survive and reproduce successfully. There are many vertebrate predators, such as birds, mammals, and reptiles, who rely on spiders as a source of food. Spiders play an important role in ecosystems because they are both predators and prey. They help to regulate bug populations and provide food for these predators. Because of their presence, the structure and dynamics of food webs are altered, which in turn contributes to the general equilibrium of biodiversity in the environments in which they live. In spite of the ecological significance of spiders, they are threatened with extinction by a variety of factors, such as the destruction of their habitat, the effects of climate change, pollution, and the persecution of humans. The destruction and fragmentation of their natural habitats has been brought about by deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural development, which has led to a reduction in the amount of habitat and food supplies that are accessible to them. There are extra issues that spiders face as a result of climate change, which includes changes in temperature and precipitation patterns, as well as disruptions to their reproductive cycles and behavior. In addition, drought conditions can be made worse by rising temperatures and unpredictable weather occurrences, which can result in an increase in death rates and a decrease in the reproductive success of spider populations. Efforts are currently being made to protect and preserve spiders in the environments in which they live. These safeguards include the creation of protected areas, the implementation of habitat restoration programs, and the implementation of public education campaigns. Through the dissemination of information regarding the significance of spiders and the promotion of environmentally responsible land management techniques, we may contribute to the preservation of these interesting creatures and the habitats that they inhabit for the long term. Spiders have been a subject of fascination for humans for millennia, and they play a significant role in the mythology, folklore, and cultural symbolism of various cultures all over the world. Spiders are connected with both positive and negative characteristics in many different cultures. Spiders are seen to represent creativity, patience, knowledge, and industriousness, for example, but they are also thought to represent fear, danger, and malevolence. Spiders are valued as symbols of creativity and creation in certain Native American traditions. They are said to reflect the power of storytelling and the ability to weave fate. According to the folklore of Africa and the Caribbean, spiders are portrayed as beings that are both clever and cunning, and they are able to outwit their opponents by their inventiveness and strategies. As symbols of terror and the unknown, spiders are frequently connected with Halloween, horror fiction, and superstitions in Western culture. Spiders also serve as representatives of the unknown. Spiders are revered for their elaborate webs, which are admired for their beauty and intricacy in the art world and beyond. This is despite the fact that spiders have a reputation for being very terrifying. In conclusion, spiders are wonderful organisms who have developed a surprising variety of adaptations in order to survive and prosper in a wide variety of situations all over the world. As a result of their one-of-a-kind biological characteristics, behavioral patterns, and ecological functions, they play an essential part in preserving the equilibrium of ecosystems and making a contribution to the abundance of biodiversity that exists on our planet. It is possible for us to work together to preserve and safeguard these wonderful creatures for the enjoyment of future generations if we have a grasp of and appreciation for the complexities of spider biology and ecology. Join us in honoring the enduring legacy of spiders and their indispensable role in the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. Together, let us embark on a journey to foster a future where spiders and humans coexist in harmony, fostering biodiversity and stewarding our shared planet. Please engage with us by subscribing, liking, and sharing this content to raise awareness and support conservation efforts for spiders and their habitats. Take action today to champion sustainable practices and safeguard the invaluable contributions of spiders to our world. Together, we can make a meaningful impact for spiders and the planet.